Okay, so Kadir, before we proceed further, I'd like to introduce myself, the organization, and especially the process that we follow. So my name is Mohammad Asim Siddiqui. I lead the talent acquisition team over here at Horizon Technologies. So Horizon is
Okay.
itself is a BPO service provider. We have clientele across the US and Canada belonging to different industry. So this particular client that we are hiring for is called the TFP, which is the fertility partners. They are based in Canada and belong to a healthcare industry.
Okay.
So they have their software development and data engineering and cybersecurity team sitting here in Karachi in our office, and the management and the senior leadership team is based in Canada. So one of the most important reason to record this call is they have given us a set of questions. Obviously, I'm not
Okay.
qualified enough to assess you on your skill set, obviously. So they have given
Okay.
us a set of questions that we are required to ask you, and we will be sharing this recording with the technical team. Based on that, they will make a decision. Okay, yes, we like Kadir Hussain, or no, we like to see more, so on and so forth. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first things first, we have your resume. It'll be great if you can talk about your experiences very briefly, like, what you have done so far, your day-to-day task, any particular market or platform or, skill set that you'd like to highlight. That'd be great, including your academics, please.
Uh, I recently I have a graduate from Federal University in Computer Science, and after that, the my career was beginning in data engineering field. I have done one boot camps from Xloop Digital, and I have also one certification course from Karachi.ai. This is very helpful for me, and now I am working as a data engineer in Xloop Digital Limited since 1 year.
Okay. Yeah, I see that on your resume. So this is your first professional experience with Xloop Digitals, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So it's been almost 1 year that
Yeah.
you're working with them. Why are you looking to move out of there?
Because they have a lot of micro mismanagements, management side issues are very commonly increase in day to day. Because I have decision to move on forward.
Okay. Okay. Can you give me like one brief example of the definition of micromanagement that you have observed in Xloop?
Like uh, example, in a few days before, I we are going to there are some cafeteria in our office. We are going to some take out coffee, and there are some people are leave for our mobile phones on here. So they are treat like this is a very big mistake for from the employee sides. They are go to the head of managements like HR and told him they are no responsible. So this is a very uncomfortable feeling like employee in this environment.
Okay. Okay. I understand. Uh, so for your next role, or, since I'm assuming that you're actively in the market looking for new opportunities. So,
Yes, sir.
besides the skill set or the tech stack, what other things or functional things that you look for in a new organization, which in your description or definition is a perfect environment for you to work in?
So I like to work with new technologies and some enjoying full for me. So this is this environment I work like to do.
Okay.
So that's it. And what we in the modern life we achieve the day-to-day technologies are increases, and I adopt this is all if I in requirement that.
Okay. Okay. All right. So, Kadir, I'll be asking you some of the questions that the technical team has provided us. So, obviously, like I said before, I'm not qualified enough to assess you on your skill set, which is why we're recording this call. And there is no right or wrong answer to it. Just,
Okay.
provide an answer that you feel is right, as opposed, concerning the question. All right. So the first couple of questions they have provided us, they belong to the SQL sector. The first question is, what is the difference between inner joint and left joint in SQL?
So inner join, like we join two tables where the if we join both tables like a some ID, like the table's ID, one table is a foreign key in the another table. So we join that the ID is match in both table, so that they extract the data from the both table. This is a inner join. And the left join is that the all data from the left side table and the some matched data from the another side table, where we specific example we that we give in the on conditions where the join ID in both tables. So this is a left join, and the first is inner join.
Inner joint. Okay, perfect. Second question is, how can you find duplicate records in a table using SQL?
We define duplicate records like some conditions, so that we write a one conditions, and like we give the date and like ID. So if ID is like 1 2 3 4, so the we give where ID is 1. So that's this is we see that the all record along with ID 1. So this is our all out figure out. So this is a duplicate ID number.
Okay. Okay. Third one is, what is the difference between a primary key and a unique constraints in SQL database?
So primary key, like uh, we define every record like unique. So and the primary key are not null, but and the unique key are also we consider a null.
Okay. All right. Now we move on to some questions relevant to Python. So question number one is, in pandas, how do you change the data type of a column?
We change the data type of a column. So we first of all example, we have a data set, and after that we load that data into a some create a data frame. After that we select the entire row, and we as we give the like data we define the data frame and get the column where we change the data type. So we select the data type, the column name, and after that comma, and that after that we give the data type, and we specific like the change the string into integer. So we give the as an argument, uh, so that we want that.
Okay. Okay. Second is, how do you handle missing values in a pandas data form or data frame?
We handle if there are some multiple ways. First way, we remove the missing values if we not want that values. And after that if we want so that we like some mean and mod incremental process, so that we get the average value from the all column, and after that insert in the null space where we want that.
Okay. All right. What is the difference between iLock and lock methods in pandas?
So I log basically this is a iLock means we perform that operations in a column based, and log means we perform a specific matlab, we perform in a raw based like log, and iLog we perform the column based.
Okay. All right. We have a few questions relevant to PySpark. What is the difference between repartition and coalesce, and where do we use them? I'm not sure if I'm saying it correct, but if you understand that, please let me know.
Coalesce.
Yes, so the spelling is Coalesce.
I not understand that question. Sorry.
That's fine. So we move on to the next one. How
Okay.
do you convert a pandas data frame to Spark data frame?
So we convert them like a specific method. Like if we convert Spark to pandas, like we c- uh, in a one variable we set our data frame like df, and after that we write a query, write a line like code df dot to pandas or df dot to Spark.
Okay. All right. We have a few questions relevant to AWS. I'm not sure if you have any experience with the cloud services, AWS. Okay.
Yes,
Uh,
I have some little bit experience.
okay, perfect. So are you familiar with cloud platforms? If yes, which one have you used for data engineering tasks?
I am use there are multiple like S3 bucket for a storage and Amazon Glue used for ETL processing.
Okay. All right. Uh, how do you ensure data quality and integrity in your ETL process?
Uh, there are multiple ways we show that the data quality and integrity. Like one way is that the data is not proper format data and structure data, because we in AWS we play the those data which we have a data in a structure format like rows and columns and like table data. So this is a table integrity.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So this is all the questions that they have provided. Uh, do you have any concerns or any questions that you would like to ask me at this time, Khalil?
uh, I have uh, I ask the job responsibilities and the companies which provide main business like.
Okay, so as far as the business is concerned, I already told you they belong to healthcare industry.
Okay,
As
healthcare.
far as the environment or the scope of the project is concerned, like I said before, I'm not qualified enough to, assess you on your skill set and provide any technical information that they may have. So that part comes later on. Once we will be sharing your profile along with our notes with the technical team, they will decide if they want to meet with you. The second round will definitely be a face-to-face. That means you have to come here to meet with the team and uh,
Okay.
conduct the technical session. And then you can have all these questions asked with the technical team. They'll be in a much better position to provide those answers to you.
Okay. Yes.
Right? Okay.
Yes.
I'm not sure if your previous conversation with Talha, he has already told you about the timing of this role and where we are located at, and this will be an on-site position, so on and so forth.
Yes, this is on-site position, and also I have some little bit confused the timing. They told me like 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. 2 a.m. maybe.
Okay, so it's going to be 9 hours.
This is a sub.
Okay.
Okay.
So 7 to 2, that makes it maybe 7 hours or 6 hours, something like that. But anyways, so this particular client, the operation hours they have in Pakistan is from 3 p.m. till 3 a.m.
Okay. 3
That's their,
p.m. to
yes.
3 a.m.
So that's their operation hours. Obviously, you will not
Okay.
be working the entire 12 hours. So any
Mm-hmm.
time between these two frames, 9 hours will be provided or assigned to you. Most likely either 3 to 12, like start from 3 p.m. in the
The timing selection in your hand, yeah, or my hand?
So not in mine, not in yours as well. The technical team will
Okay.
decide.
Okay.
They will let you know that
Yeah.
okay, this is the time that you'll be working in. So any 9 hours of shift between these two frames, 3 p.m. to 3 a.m.
Okay.
But it will not be rotational, like changing every now and then. So it'll be fixed. So once the time is assigned to
Okay.
you, you'll be following that time of whenever you've been working.
Or some in some days there are remote job, yeah, fully on site.
So initially it'll be fully remote, but down the line, like once you have spent a good amount of time, like 2-3 months, then you can have a hybrid model as well. Like work 6 hours or 5 hours in the office, then you can go home and do the rest of the work over there. But
Okay.
initially,
Okay.
you'll be performing everything on site, 100%.
Okay. And after if suppose I am join the your company, the what is the facilities and benefits?
Sure, I'll let you know. So they have altogether 28 PTOs. They call it paid time offs. So there is no sick, casual, or annual leaves difference. It's
Okay.
altogether PTOs. That is
Okay.
inclusive of Canadian calendar holidays. So you will be following Canadian calendar holidays, not the Pakistani ones. So you will get
Okay.
2 to 3 offs on each Eid days, but there will be no Muharram holidays, no Rabiul Awwal holidays, things like
Okay.
that.
Hmm.
Okay, so you will be following everything as per the Canadian calendar. All right. So including the
Okay.
Canadian calendar, altogether there are 28 holidays in a year, and inclusive of I think there are 2 or maybe 3 Eid holidays on each Eid.
Okay.
So you will have a quota of your leaves, which you can avail
Mm-hmm.
as per your requirement. But that'll be subject to approval. You will have to apply for the
Also,
leaves.
there are some medical insurance type.
Yes, I was coming to that. So
Okay. Okay.
I'm not sure. Are you married, Kadir?
No, no, single.
Okay. How long you gonna do that?
Like 2 years.
2 years. Okay. All right. So the reason I asked is because, if you were married, so the medical plan we have covers you and your
Yeah, yeah.
family, like your spouse and kids. But if you're single, then only you are covered. So that covers the IPD part of the medical benefits, like hospitalization. And there is a limit of
Okay.
up to 1 million.
OPD include?
No OPD as of yet.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Only IPD. Besides that, there is a fuel allowance that works
Okay.
on reimbursement up to 100 liters a month. Right? Meaning that you will be
Yeah, yeah.
paying for your own fuel, but you will submit your receipts here in the office, and after every 15 days, you will get reimbursed.
Okay, okay.
All right. Besides
Okay.
that, there is Provident Fund. Do you know how that works?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
The X loop are also given the Provident Fund.
Okay. So 5% from
Yeah.
you, 5% from the employer side. It'll keep on adding
Yes.
until the time you leave. All right. Lastly, there is monthly, what do you call it? Team activity. So whatever the team decides, like if you are part of the team, then you and the rest of the team will decide, okay, you want to go out and do some kind of recreational activity, or you want to go out and have a team dinner or whatever. There is a certain budget to it that
Okay.
is assigned. You avail that opportunity and go out and have fun. All right. So that's monthly basis. And yeah,
Okay.
that's pretty much it at this time. All
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
So lastly, I'd like to ask you, Kadir, if you don't mind me asking, of course, what are you currently making and what are you looking for salary wise?
I am currently take the salary 75,
Mhm.
include a fuel there are also give us fuel adjustment price.
Okay.
So the total is 75, around 75.
Okay.
So
And
I am expected them 85, then 90, and 95.
These are three numbers. Which one are you looking for?
Yeah, matlab means 90 is I am my target number 90.
Anything more than 90.
Yeah, more than 90.
Okay. Right. So provided if all goes well and we make an offer to you, how soon can you join?
I am join in 15 days, yeah, 10 days.
So do X Loop has a notice period
Period.
policy?
Yes, they have give the like notice period. I am told him I am searching the new job.
Okay, you
So
already
they
told him.
give me you if you found a new job, then you leave.
Okay. All right. So lastly, I'd like to let you know, Qadir, if all goes well and we
Yeah.
proceed with the offer and making an offer, in the employment agreement that we prepare for each new hires, there are a couple of clauses that we discussed beforehand, so there are no surprises towards the end. So one of the
Okay.
clause is called commitment clause, which basically says that once you join us, we expect you to stay with us for at least 1 year. Meaning
Okay.
before one
Yes.
year,
Yes.
you will not leave this organization, even if someone reaches out to you and say, Kadir bhai, 10 lakh rupees le lo, aa jao hamare paas. And you will tell them, okay, no, I'm under
Mhm.
contract. I
Yes.
have
Yes.
to
Yes.
spend 1 year, then I can leave, of course.
Yes. There are some commitment like I have commitment you. So this is not person like personality. I have disorder.
Correct.
If I promise you,
Mhm.
then after the 2 months, 6 months, I have joined another.
Right. Right. So that's that. Second is exclusivity, which basically says that while working with us, you will not be engaged anywhere else, like a part-time job, second job,
Like freelancing.
freelancing, or anything like that. Okay, so you
Yeah, yeah.
cannot do that. So yeah, that's pretty much it from my side at this time. Kadir, if you have any questions, concern, now is the time.
No, all right.
Perfect. So like I said before, I will most definitely be sharing your profile with the technical team. As soon as they
Okay,
come
sir.
back to me, with the next steps, I will be getting back to you to schedule the next step, of course, which will be an on-site interview, as I've already told you. All right.
Okay. So in मतलब कितने दिनों में अब पता चलेगा मुझे कि मेरी सिलेक्शन हो गया नहीं?
Hopefully by the end of this week. I cannot promise you anything, of course. मैं अपनी तरफ से आपका प्रोफाइल
Okay,
आज
okay,
कर दूंगा और वो मुझे आज ही बता दें,
okay,
कल बता दें, परसों बता दें. Obviously, as soon as they come back to me, then I'll let you know. Okay, yes, you have been shortlisted for next steps, or no, I'm sorry, you're not selected. That can happen
okay.
both sides.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. So once
Yes.
again, thank you very much for this time, Kadir. I look
Okay,
forward
sir.
to
Thank
meeting
you.
you once things go ahead, and we'll take it from over there. All right. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.